boxing gloves on. Look at him. He seems to be a one-man band or a one-mouse lookout. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Well, I've never seen that before. I bet you've never seen that before, have you? Oh my goodness. Mouse Tyson might be a Mrs. Mouse Tyson. How amazing was that? Oh my goodness. We've got a frisky mouse amongst them all. Little ones here now, look. Hey, excuse me, mouse. Excuse me, mouse. What do you think you're doing? You're live on TV. Well, I've none of that, by the way. Oh my goodness. Well, you never know what you're going to get on Mouse TV. Especially when you've got a frisky mouse around.